Today I am going to show you how to make South Indian style urud vada. In Kerala we calls it ulunu vada. Here I have taken 2 cups of urud dal, washed it well and soak it in water for 4 hours. I have completely drained the water from urud dal. If traces of water remain, you won't get the vada in proper shape and texture. Now I will show you how to prepare the batter for vada. Here I have taken a mixer for grinding the urud. I am going to add very little urud into the mixer. Add half a teaspoon of water and grind it. If required more water, you can add little by little. Now I have grinded the urud for 3 to 4 minutes by adding very little water. Now you can see the consistency of the batter. This is perfectly ready to make the vada. Similarly, you have to grind the rest of the urud to make a batter. I am adding 1 tablespoon of water. For checking the required consistency of the batter, there is a small trick. You can add a little bit of batter into the water. If it comes up, the batter is in the right consistency. If it is not coming up, you can add a little bit of water and grind it again. Now our batter is ready. If you want, you can beat it with a electric beater to make it more fluffier. Else you can use a wooden spatula. For mixing of vada, we required 1 big onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 to 3 small pieces of ginger, few curry leaf and few peppercorns. I am going to add this into a chopper and finally chop it. I have chopped it well. Now I am going to add this into the batter. Here I crushed the pepper and I am going to add this also with required amount of salt. Now the batter is well mixed and it is ready for frying. Now I will show you how to shape the vadas. For this, wet your both hands. Take little bit of batter and shape it like this. And flip it into the oil. Now I am making the vada in a similar way. Make sure the flame should be on medium so that the vada will get cooked well inside. Now our vada is ready. I am going to take it out from the oil. Similarly, I am going to make the rest of the batter. Now our vada is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with sambar and coconut chutney with a hot cup of tea. In Kerala, we usually have it with a cup of black coffee.